By 2040, the sound of engines might disappear. No exhaust, no vibration, just smooth, silent motion. The age of petrol could fade into history, and the world may run on something cleaner, smarter, and infinitely more connected. But before we rush to that future, there's one question humanity must answer. Are we ready for it? Just a decade ago, electric vehicles were a luxury experiment. Today, they're rewriting the rules of mobility. From Indian cities to futuristic European highways, EVs are no longer just cars, they're symbols of a changing world. And what's driving this revolution isn't just electricity. It's intelligence. Your next car won't just take you places. It'll think, learn, and evolve. AI will calculate the safest route, predict when your battery needs charging, and even sync with smart traffic systems to eliminate jams. It's a world where charging stations replace fuel pumps, where solar roads power vehicles as they glide, and where pollution levels drop dramatically in once choked cities. This is the promise: a cleaner planet, smarter transport, and a quieter tomorrow. But like every revolution, it comes with questions. Because behind every battery lies a supply chain: lithium from Chile, cobalt from Congo, nickel from Indonesia. Mining these resources powers our progress, but also challenges our sustainability goals. So, as we clean the air above us, we must protect the earth beneath us. Governments know this. That's why countries like India, Japan, and the United States are investing in recycling technologies, solid-state batteries, and hydrogen alternatives to make the EV ecosystem truly green, from start to finish. Yet, the transformation isn't just environmental, it's economic. Oil once ruled the world. Now, data and batteries are the new gold. Energy grids are becoming smarter, and nations are rethinking their infrastructure from the ground up. In 2040, highways might generate their own power. Cars might share energy with homes. And what we drive could become part of the world's largest, AI-managed ecosystem. The future won't just be electric, it'll be intelligent. But let's pause for a moment. Will every country be ready? Will rural regions have access to fast charging and affordable EVs? Will developing nations be part of the green revolution, or simply buyers of someone else's innovation? Because the future must be inclusive, not just advanced. By 2040, you might step into your vehicle, and it'll greet you by name. Something like this. Good morning, sir. The weather is clear. Traffic is light. Your journey will take 28 minutes. Are you ready to reach your destination? No gears. No noise. Just seamless movement through a smart, self-regulating city. Petrol cars won't vanish overnight. They'll remain as vintage icons, reminders of where we began. But the world will have changed. Children will grow up without the smell of diesel in the air. Skies will be clearer. And our cities, calmer, more connected, more human. The future of EVs isn't just about replacing engines. It's about redefining motion itself. A future where clean energy meets creativity, where AI meets empathy, and where technology finally works with the planet, not against it. So yes, petrol cars might fade away. But what replaces them could lead us into a more sustainable, more intelligent world, if we build it wisely. The real question isn't whether EVs will dominate, they will. The question is, can we make this revolution fair, accessible, and truly green, for everyone? Because the future won't run on petrol or power alone, it will run on purpose. If you believe in shaping that purpose, subscribe to Futurenetics. Like this video, share it with someone curious about the next era of mobility, and stay tuned for more stories about how AI and technology are transforming our world.